Ooh.
Just die. Please just die.
What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what time it is when you see me on the other side of this screen, man. Today is about to be very interesting, man. We about to see if we can get Shay's reaction, man. I had to hurry up and drop this intro real quick. She done took the kids inside of her mom's house, man. But first, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell a friend, join the family. Please hit that post notification bell. I don't want y'all missing no lit bangers in the future. So, I'm gonna let y'all know what we about to do, man. We about to go get some food real quick, man. Y'all know Shay don't play about food. We caught this video that's trending. I'm about to be coughing all over her meal, man. Comment Team Tay down below, please. Please comment Team Tay down below, because y'all know how I'm coming, man. If I get my ass beat, y'all know that's just how Shay coming, because she don't play about her food. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. Let's get to it.
I really do not know how people ride bikes to the grocery store.
Hey, man, you gotta get your groceries. You put that little basket on there and you giddy up. Put them legs to use to get your fruit juice.
I'm gonna start ordering our groceries.
Oh God, my mom was just telling me about that the other day.
What, curbside?
Nah, like she say Neek did it for her a couple times. You can literally order a cart up like in Walmart and just go pick it up.
Mm-hmm.
My God.
Online, literally.
Yeah, online.
Yeah.
She
And they
was
just bring to the
telling
car,
me.
and if they don't got what you want, they'll tell you, and you can substitute it or something like that.
I swear, didn't I
Like,
say
that's
she
really nice
just
as
was
fuck.
talking about that to me like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Cause she was saying they was getting all that link, and she like, sure, we get so much link. If you want, you and Shay can make a cart. Y'all can go pick it up.
She better stop playing with me. You ain't tell me that. Oh yeah, let me call your mama. What if? Why would you? I just got excited.
Don't
Give me
even
that
need
phone.
it, dude.
Yes, we do. We ain't got that much link.
We don't need it.
Take.
I'm saying
Give
right
me the
now,
phone.
we don't need it. What you mean?
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. We need meat.
You're greedy.
We need fries.
You need meat.
Yeah. Boy, bye. Come on.
I slap it across that grill.
Is you finna get something or not?
I
just want a fry, you know.
Frap izzle.
I want a large fry. And
I want a daily double with cheese. I want a chicken
nuggets.
sandwich with extra mayo. I want a double cheeseburger with double bacon. I want a hamburger with just cheese. Keep the pickle, hold the mustard. I need a fry with half salt, no
Okay, shut
salt.
the fuck up,
I
'cause you lying.
need a Happy Meal with a chicken nugget and a Barbie toy. I need...
You lying, shut up. Anyways, I want a large fry, no salt, and I want a
I need a quarter pounder with cheese and...
4-piece chicken.
I need a big... I need a sweet...
Tay,
I need a
shut
sweetie
up.
meal. A sweetie meal.
Boy, bye. You don't even
I'm
fucking
buying
get
a
that.
sweetie meal.
That was actually pretty good, though.
I'm getting that
honestly.
tap in. I'm about to get one of them. They should have called it a tap in meal.
They taking all day. That's very irritating.
You ain't starving now. Relax.
No, I'm not starving, but I'm saying.
Okay then.
I'm hungry, though.
You always hungry though.
You trying to be insensitive to my hungry?
Say you always hungry like this. It don't make no
Yeah.
sense. You need to relax.
That's because they got like 10 people in that car.
That's because you need to
in that
relax.
fucking 4-seat ass car.
How may I help you?
Hey, can I get a small caramel frappe?
Is that for you?
Yes. What do you want?
A large fry.
What do you
no
want to
salt.
eat?
I'm sorry?
Can I get a large fry with no salt?
Smoked frappe with large fry, no salt?
You want some
6-piece
nugget?
nugget.
A 6-piece nugget, fresh barbecue sauce,
Okay.
And a double cheeseburger.
and a double cheeseburger. You want pickles?
No pickles.
No pickles.
Okay.
A large Coke.
And a large Coke. That's all.
Large Coke.
Yep.
Put 4, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, she was sweet.
No, man. I'm about to give her a tip real quick.
$11.75. Oh no.
I'm finna get her a tip real quick.
Oh hell no.
What you think the tip should be?
Nothing.
I'm gonna give her a tip. I'm gonna
They
tell her,
can't take tips.
dude. I'm about to give her a tip. All I'm
can't
about to
take
tell her
tips.
is, don't talk while chewing gum. Just a tip.
Okay. Sweetie broke up with
No,
him.
he left her after she did that interview, saying she ain't get a train around.
He broke up with him.
No, she didn't.
Okay, go look.
I know what happened. She was for the streets, and he left her.
Boy, bye. You for the streets. Sabella.
You are the streets. You smell like the streets.
I own the streets.
You live on the streets.
Am I still better be fresh?
The cup holder?
No.
No, son.
Okay, the well done order. I'm gonna have you guys pull over here too on this side of the building and
Oh.
be right up.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Thank you.
Damn, always gotta pull up. Damn. My My drink better be not flat, because every time I've been coming here, it been flat, right? Am I right or am I right? Yeah.
Dude, why did they kill it so hard the day you don't get one?
They dining room. Oh, we could have went there and eat.
You want to go sitting on McDonald's and eat?
Let me taste it. Boy, I bought it.
Okay, come on, man.
Come on.
You just said you was for the streets. That mean...
No, I said I own the streets.
Some lips is for the streets.
No, I said I own the streets.
I mean, you get dirty in the streets.
No, that mean I have workers.
I mean, you get dirty in the streets. That mean you live in the streets. That mean you have
Come on now, dude.
Bum lips. You got bum bumps.
Oh, no. Don't fucking talk about my bump under my nose.
I don't find your home in my drink. How you little with yours? Shay, you whole drinking my shit and you talking some What you talking about?
This is definitely good as fuck.
Oh shit. That shit was a little strong.
No, that was not that fucking strong. Okay, yeah, I'm keeping yours. I swear to God, I'm keeping yours. No, I'm keeping yours for real. No. And that's my food, I think. Oh, no, it ain't.
Put my shit down.
I'm keeping yours. That ain't mine. Say, no, I'm keeping your food. You just coughed in my shit.
Dude,
No.
I coughed in the atmosphere. I did not cough. You know,
No.
Give me my fucking shit. I'm dead serious. Give me my drink. Say, well, you don't have to drink it. Just give me my shit.
But you coughed in there.
I'll go back around, dude. Look, cough. You act like I got corona.
Say, that was a nasty ass cough.
So you act like I got corona. Give me my damn drink.
That's so fucking trifling. You nasty as fuck. I just already know it's probably all type of nasty ass throat particles in my shit. And you was right on my straw.
No, I wasn't. It was like this. I covered it. I didn't cough on your drink.
Just when they come, tell them it's nasty and give me another one.
So you gonna drink that drink?
I'm not. For real, tell them come.
I did not cough on your shit, G.
Tell them it's nasty and give me another one.
No, man. I'm
Take
not
for
finna make
real.
them work that hard. You can drink
Nigga,
it.
it's a drink. All they gotta do is go right to the little thing. You irritating.
You tell them then. You tell them then. I'm not finna do that for a drink I didn't cough in.
Alright.
I keep it too.
I'm just ready for my food. Give me my phone. You
got
got my
your
phone,
phone?
right? Yes, you do.
I really don't get your phone.
I think that's my food right there.
Oh, I do got your phone.
Exactly, big goofy ass boy.
Yes, sir. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Come on, now. Say I will beat your ass. Don't fucking play with me. Dry ass throat. You better drink some damn water. What, you got no water in here? Here.
No, I'm good.
I'll fuck your ass up. Fucking play with me, boy. Oh! What is shit?
What shit?
Why you didn't get no food?
I don't want no food.
You didn't want nothing?
Nope.
You not finna go?
You want to eat real quick? You ain't trying to move while you trying to eat your meal.
Okay.
Yo, motherfucker, look gizzo.
Oh! 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 Oh, shit! Oh my god! You just coughed in my fucking mouth!
I coughed in
Oh
your
my
mouth.
god!
I'm sorry.
Say you just coughed in my fucking mouth.
I'm sorry.
That's so fucking nasty. I need to go brush my
That's
teeth.
what you get.
I need to go brush my
Trying to
teeth.
swallow that nugget that quick and it's hot as hell. Slow down.
I need to go brush my teeth.
Them nuggets ain't gonna grow legs and run away. It's chicken nuggets, but it ain't chicken chicks. Calm down. What the fuck is you?
You just coughed
What
in my
are
mouth.
you doing? Don't put
Hey.
your lips on my drink.
Why would you cough in my mouth?
The fuck? Look at your food. We're going to eat your food.
Them nuggets hot than a bitch. Them gotta cool off them. That shit hot as hell.
Hey, you did ask for what? Oh, look at the cheese.
I know that shit.
Ooh. How's it looking? Nice.
That
and
shit is
good.
slapping.
Ooh, wee. Okay. Hurry up, though. I'm just trying to not move so you can eat.
Okay.
Give you a little minute so you can eat your food.
I don't like that food. You know I don't like that. You know I do not like that shit. Tay, I'm not playing.
throat
I don't
itching.
like that shit. Disgusts me. Don't do that shit no more.
My throat can't itch.
Go in the thing just open. Go to the bathroom.
To do what? Scratch my throat?
Yes, that shit is nasty.
Okay, sometimes just hurry up and eat so you ain't even gotta be eating.
Why would you do that while somebody eating?
I'm not trying to do it on
That
purpose.
shit
I'm sorry.
sound
My
nasty
throat
as hell.
itching.
Your ass got
The
fucking
weather's changing.
glaucoma.
Glaucoma.
Yeah, that's what it sound like. Stuff up. Damn, this nigga trying to eat breakfast.
Let me do a little bite.
You don't even eat this.
What?
Dude, you just want everything I got. Cause
Let me
you,
do a
here,
little bite.
I don't gotta hold it.
I don't want to hold you.
Alright,
Ooh.
just die. Please just die.
Ooh. I think I'm catching the cold. That shit hurt. I need some Tylenol or something.
So you found that funny.
What the fuck am I laughing at? I'm genuinely cold.
You just said let me get a bite.
Go sit outside and eat your food.
Hey, did you just say let me get a bite? And you just thought your
It's
nasty
not
ass.
my fault that a cough erupt out of my throat.
Okay, but that's my food that I just spent my money on.
Say, it erupt out of my throat. I didn't even know it was coming.
You're a nasty. Here, you can have a burger.
I don't want to hear. Take
No,
your
you
burger.
can, I swear to God, I'm not eating that burger. That's nasty as fuck. You just literally coughed on that
You
fucking
take
burger. I
your
don't want the
burger.
burger. I'm not playing with
What are
you.
you talking about?
Man, I'm taking your
Stop
fucking
drinking
burger.
my
No,
fucking
I'm
drink.
taking it. You cough on my drink, but you ain't cough on your drink. You think you're gonna keep mine?
Say,
drink?
wait,
Your
it's a
drink?
cough.
I will. No,
I
drink
need to
the water.
run my throat down.
Drink the water.
Say, give me my fucking shit.
Eat
man.
that fucking burger because I bought that shit.
Say,
I
give
don't
me
give a
my
fuck.
drink,
No,
bro.
no.
I'm not playing. Give me my
And I'm
drink.
hiding my fucking nuggets. Period.
Oh, this is irritating as hell, bro. Give me my drink.
Nope. No.
Bro, give me my drink.
No. You coughed on that burger. Eat that fucking burger.
Hey, I barely coughed on it. All I had to do was rip the piece off.
Okay, what piece was it?
It
What
was
piece
right
was
here.
it?
Just rip it.
You rip it. You touch
What
it. But
again?
I'm not gonna be touching that infested ass shit.
Nah, it's infested.
Yeah, that shit nasty as
It's a
hell.
perfectly good ass cheeseburger. You playing? I ripped
Your ass comfortable fucking person. That shit nasty as hell.
it. Man, give me my drink now. I tell that
Look
off.
at that. You put
Say,
some shit on there.
I didn't put shit on the burger, G.
That's from your throat, Tay.
Oh my god. Say that's an onion.
I don't eat onions on there, so you lying.
Say it's an onion.
You nasty as fuck.
I didn't fucking cuff the onion. Give me my drink.
No. No. No, come on.
Say if my throat swell up because I don't got my drink, then what?
Water.
No, I need my drink.
Where water at? Where water? Big goofy ass. Eat that fucking burger. I'm not playing about that
I
shit.
ripped the shit off of you. Damn. Give me my fucking drink. You really good. I only coughed. Say, give me my drink. Seriously, give me my drink.
Drink the drink that you
Give me
coughed on.
give me my drink. Give me my drink. Give me my drink.
Okay, I'm done. Here, you can have the nuggets. You can have the fucking burger. I'm about to go in and eat by my fucking self because you're a trifling ass bastard. And you're nasty as fuck with that smoker man ass cough. You're nasty as fuck. Here, take your drink. Give me my card out your fucking wallet, please. Give me my card out your wallet.
Shit. My wallet. You're already doing too much.
Cause that's nasty as fuck. That's really disrespectful. Who the fuck coughed on that? I don't want the fucking.
Here.
Okay, I will beat the fuck out you if you give me
Here.
your card.
Here. Here.
You need to go get a fucking COVID test for real. No, hell no. Stop! Stop! That's nasty as fuck, dirty ass boy. This nigga is such my fucking mouth. I swear to God.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, G. It's a prank. It was fake calls, G. I was trying my best not to make them sound fake. It was a prank.
It's not no fucking prank because you really coughed up my shit. That's nasty as
Shay,
fuck.
you literally licked my mouth.
I don't give a fuck. That shit is nasty
G,
as
it's
hell.
a cough, G.
You better be so glad you ain't coughing my fries. I would have punched your ass so motherfucking hard in your face.
It's a prank, G. It's a prank.
Okay.
I dropped your card, though. What you do with your card?
Tay, you're still eating that burger.
Shay, I don't eat meat right now. You know I can't eat.
I don't give a fuck. You gonna eat it? Cause
I'm
you
not.
should have come
So,
my
so you
shit.
can't eat my cow?
No, nigga, that's nasty
So
as
you
fuck.
can't eat my cow?
No.
So you wild as heck.
Okay.
Whatever happened to death do us part?
No.
Thick and thin. Husband and wife.
They said death, not a call.
You do, I do. We do, we steal, you steal, I steal.
Shut up.
Whatever happened to that?
Why would you do that? I just can't even eat this. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, man. You mean to bend a block and get you some more nuggets and
Yes,
burgers?
please. Thank you.
Okay.
And you buying it off your card.
But anyways,
Let's go. Hurry up for the line get long. Nah. Fuck, is that an ant?
how you feel though?
Oh, that's outside.
Getting your whole meal coughed down like that. You good?
Come on! For the line get long!
Alright, y'all. I'm about to get out of here because somebody getting real hostile about her little dirty little $5 meal. She still eat like
This
a
was
little ass,
$11.75.
eat like a little ass kid.
This was
A little
$11.75.
ass meal.
I'm thirsty as fuck. My throat dry as
Comment
hell. I'm
Team
about to
Tay
fucking
down
die.
below. Comment Team Tay down
Can't
below.
fuck with Bree, my
Y'all know
fucking
how I get. Y'all know how I do it, man.
Hurry up! Come on, look. There's 3 cars already.